In this video, I'll show you how to resize lock screen clock on iPhone with iOS 26. This feature is going to be super interesting, but before that, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because this really helps me out. Well, so now to do that, you just need to swipe down from the top left here, and once you're here inside the control center, you just need to press and hold any empty area. I'll get to see the interface like this, and you just need to tap on customize the lock screen, and I'll get to see it's going to give you the option to adjust the clock size, so you can actually drag it to the way you want. So you can actually drag the position, and also you can tap on the clock here. You can actually adjust the thickness of the clock, and also you can change the different color here, and also you'll get lots of option. Get the text style the way you want. And once you're done with this, you just need to tap on this and tap on done at the top right, and the lock screen will be saved, and this will look like this. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.